Let's go to meeting, let's go to meeting. This is a manager going to a meeting. No, 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 no. This is a developer going to meeting. I don't know why where is this discrepancy. Maybe because the developers do the job and the manager. What they do the managers? No, I don't know. I'm being both. I am both. So what I notice is there is a big difference. Managers like to do meetings. Developers usually like less. They just want to go on the code and code and code and code without thinking. Either way, I don't know what's the correct one. But it's not even the point of the video, so forget, we just wasted 40 seconds. The point is, why we do meetings and meetings and meetings and meetings, most of the time, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour meetings, talking about nothing, looking for solution that we don't really come up with, when usually we already know what to do. If I'm a developer and I have 10-year experience, and you talk me about a project, I know which framework we should use, I know in which way we should architect and split the code, I know what needs to be done. Still, we do a 10-hour meeting to decide the technology, the framework, and blah, blah, blah. Why is so? Because we like to waste the time? Some people, perhaps. Reality, it's not. We all do big meetings and preparation to meetings and email preparation to the meeting because no one wants to take responsibility. It's rare to see a person that the meeting starts and say, okay guys, hold on, I know how to do it. We're gonna use this framework, we're gonna do it this way, that's it, we can go back to work. No, but I don't care, we do this way, if we fail, it's all on me, you don't even have to fire me, I'm just gonna resign. It's very rare to see people that take the guts, take their whatever, take the responsibility with such a confidence and say, we're gonna do this way. Most people don't want to take responsibility. So you do meetings where you go around circle, hoping that someone else is gonna throw an idea and everybody can agree. So the responsibility is either of the person who throw the idea or there is no one anyway. And we are all safe. We like to play safe. We like not to take responsibility. When I said in another video, hey, if you want to do a step up in your career, just don't take a job you already know how to do it. Take a job you don't know how to do it and then you make it up. What I was talking about is responsibility. When you take a job you don't know how to do it, that's a huge responsibility you put on yourself. But if you trust your experience, you trust your gut feeling, if you trust your knowledge, you're just gonna be alright. There is people that have been working for 20, 30, 40 years in a field and still they don't want to take responsibility. Do you think they don't have the experience or the knowledge to make a choice? Maybe for a simple project? Of course they have. But it's safer to stay sit and wait someone else to take responsibility. But such same people work 40 years in a field and they are a rock star. Then come whatever Mark Zuckerberg in 5 years, 10 years is one of the best developer in the world. Is it even a good developer? No, he just had the guts to say, you know, we do this way, we follow this way, whatever. He took responsibility. Steve Jobs took responsibility. Branson takes responsibility. Elon Musk takes responsibility. That was the difference. If you're willing to take responsibility, knowing that it is backed up by your knowledge, by your experience, by your skills, by your intuition, by your vision, then you'll know you're gonna be alright. And then, yeah, not only your career gonna have a great boost, but your whole life. Because when you start to take responsibility, you start to go like boom on an accelerator to a great life in 360 degrees. Responsibility is the keys, not only for success, but to be fulfilled.